Replacing or installing new windows in your Des Allemands home is one of the best ways to enhance comfort, curb appeal, and energy efficiency. However, even the most high-quality windows can underperform if installation is done incorrectly. Homeowners often make mistakes that lead to costly repairs, drafts, or even voided warranties. Understanding these pitfalls will help ensure your window installation project is done right the first time. Ignoring accurate measurements. One of the most common and costly mistakes in any window installation Des Allemands project is failing to take precise measurements. Even a fraction of an inch off can result in gaps that let in air, moisture, and pests. Many homeowners rely solely on rough estimates or assume standard window sizes will fit. Every home, especially older properties, has unique dimensions, and settling or shifting over time can alter window openings. Tip: always measure the width and height at 3 points, top, middle, and bottom, and use the smallest measurement. Consider hiring a professional for exact sizing before ordering windows. Choosing the wrong window type or material. Des Allemands experiences a humid subtropical climate, meaning your window material choice is crucial. Many homeowners make the mistake of selecting windows based solely on style rather than performance. For instance, wood windows may look charming but can warp or rot in high humidity without proper maintenance. On the other hand, vinyl or fiberglass windows resist moisture and offer superior insulation. Tip: discuss your options with a local window installation expert in Des Allemands who understands the area's weather patterns and can recommend materials suited for Louisiana's humidity and heat. Neglecting proper sealing and insulation. Even when windows are correctly sized, poor sealing or insulation can cause air leaks and condensation. This not only reduces energy efficiency but also increases the risk of mold and mildew growth. Installers often overlook insulation foam around the frame or use excessive caulk, which can expand unevenly and distort the fit. Tip: use high-quality weather-resistant sealants and low-expansion foam designed specifically for windows. Check for gaps with a smoke pencil or infrared thermometer after installation. Failing to check for structural issues before installing new windows, it's essential to inspect the surrounding wall and framing for damage. Ignoring signs of rot, water damage, or mold can lead to future structural problems. Some homeowners skip this step to save time or money, but this oversight often results in costly repairs later. Tip: if you find soft spots or visible damage, repair or replace the affected sections before proceeding with installation. A solid foundation ensures your new windows remain secure and efficient. Improper leveling and alignment. Crooked or unevenly installed windows are not only unsightly, they can also cause operational issues. If the window isn't perfectly level, it may not open or close smoothly, and the locking mechanisms may fail to align properly. Over time, this can compromise the window's seal and performance. Tip: use a carpenter's level during installation and double-check the alignment before final fastening. Make small adjustments as needed to achieve a perfect fit. Skipping the flashing and waterproofing step. Flashing is a critical component of any window installation in Des Allemands, helping to direct water away from the frame and prevent leaks. Many DIYers underestimate its importance or apply it incorrectly. Without proper flashing, even the best sealed window can allow water infiltration during heavy rains. Tip: always use high-quality flashing tape or metal flashing as recommended by the window manufacturer. Overlap the layers correctly to create a continuous moisture barrier. Overlooking local building codes or permits. Some homeowners assume that replacing windows is a simple home improvement that doesn't require permits. However, local regulations in Des Allemands may have specific requirements for energy efficiency, safety glazing, or egress windows in bedrooms. Failing to comply can result in fines or problems during home resale. Tip: consult your contractor or local building authority before beginning your project to ensure compliance with all applicable codes. De-installation without proper experience. While DIY window installation can seem like a way to save money, it often leads to more expenses in the long run. Without the right tools and experience, mistakes in sealing, insulation, or leveling are easy to make. Professional installers not only have the expertise but also often include warranties on labor and materials. Tip: if you're unsure about any part of the process, hire a reputable window installation company in Des Allemands. They'll ensure your project is completed safely, efficiently, and up to code. Final thoughts: avoiding these common mistakes is the key to ensuring long-lasting performance, comfort, and beauty from your new windows. Proper window installation in Des Allemands requires attention to detail, the right materials, and professional craftsmanship. Whether you're upgrading for energy efficiency, aesthetics, or functionality, taking the time to plan carefully and rely on expert help will give your home the flawless finish it deserves.